Landing pages. Landing pages generate leads by gathering information about web page visitors. Effective landing pages contain information that has value for visitors, such as special offers, online shopping, and registration pages for viewing demos. bpm'online can connect to your landing pages, gather information to generate leads, and nurture them before handoff to sales. To automate this process, you will need to perform the following operations after creating a landing page. In the Landing Pages section of bpm'online, create a new record and connect it to the landing page. Set up field mapping between the bpm'online lead page and fields on the landing page. Set up default values for the lead page fields that are not available on the landing page. Set up website event and lead source tracking if you wish to gather information about website visitor activities or lead sources. Landing page setup requires website administrator access rights. Depending on website specifics, the landing page setup process may be different from the example covered in this tutorial. Let's see how a landing page is connected to bpm'online. The landing page contains a brief title, which displays the actual offer, a registration form with a few fields for gathering contact information, a checkbox for confirming that the customer agrees to receive marketing and promotional materials, and a button with a call to action. First, add a new record in the Landing Pages section. Fill out the landing page fields. Specify the title, landing page address, the address to redirect the visitor after filling out the landing page, and other information. Select the Create Contact checkbox to enable the automatic creation of both a lead and a contact when a form on the landing page is completed. Finish by saving the new landing page record. Step 2. Copy the code and configure and map the fields. This block contains the unique HTML code for the landing page. The code also contains a link to the redirection page specified in the redirection URL field. Please note that to enable redirection to the page specified in the redirection URL field, you will need to save the landing page after adding the redirection URL and use the HTML code that is generated after that. To automatically create a new lead in bpm'online each time a landing page is filled out, set up field mapping between the landing page web form and the lead record page. Let's map the full name field on the landing page to the corresponding field on the bpm'online lead page. To do this, copy the unique HTML code from the landing record page in any text editor. Find the Fields block in the code. This block contains the list of the lead columns that are filled in after the landing page form is submitted. Replace the CSS selector with the actual name of the selector, which is located in the source code of the landing page. Open the landing page and view its source code. You can use browser tools to inspect a certain element on the page. Click the full name field on the landing page. The code of the selected element will be highlighted. Use the values of the ID or class parameters to replace CSS selector. If the ID value is used, make sure that it is preceded by the number character, also called hash. Copy the value of the ID parameter of the source code. Open the unique HTML code in the text editor. For the name field, replace CSS selector with the copied ID value and add the number character in front of it. Replace CSS selector for the remaining fields in the same manner. Note that the use email value is used to automatically restrict use of an email address if the contact did not agree to receive marketing and promotional materials by email. If a contact agrees to receive the materials, then the contact page connected to the lead will not have the Do Not Use Email checkbox selected. The fields that are not used can be deleted from the HTML code. After making the changes to the HTML code, add it to the landing page code. To do this, copy the HTML code. Open the source code editing mode and add the modified HTML code to the source code of the landing page. Finish by saving the changes. In the form block of the landing page code, add a Create Lead event which initiates automatic lead registration. A special code is used for this. Please note that this code is used if the landing page web form is submitted by clicking a button. As a result, when a customer visits your landing page and fills out a registration form, a new lead is automatically created in bpm'online. The web form that the visitors complete will not have all the fields that are available on the lead record page. To fill out fields that are not available on the landing page, set up default values for the lead page fields. For example, select Need for Our Products as the default value for the Customer Need field. To do this, go to the Default Values tab of the landing page. Select the Customer Need as the lead field. In the Value field, select Need for Our Products. Finish by saving the settings. As a result, after the landing page form is submitted, the Customer Need field of the lead page will be filled in automatically with Need for Our Products. After setting up your landing pages, configure tracking of lead sources and website events. The lead and the connected contact history will show the full scope of activities, including website clicks, adding products to a cart, searches, and demo and product catalog views. Lead source and website event tracking is covered in a separate video tutorial.